Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can turn off mouse acceleration. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Windows Settings app by right-clicking on the Windows icon at the bottom and selecting Settings. Once you're in Settings, open the Accessibility tab from the left side menu. Next, scroll down a little bit and access the mouse settings. Here, you can also change the acceleration speed from the top section if you have such feature enabled. But in order to disable it completely, select Mouse and open Additional Mouse Settings. Inside Additional Mouse Settings, go to the Pointer Options tab. Here, you will see an option called Enhance Pointer Precision. Simply uncheck this option to turn off mouse acceleration. So that's basically how you can turn off mouse acceleration. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.